Hello everybody, John here, and today onto the garage we're doing another quick secrets of the XK8. XK8 secrets are those little video snippets that are way too short for a program all on their own, but are just for the entertainment and enjoyment of those of you guys who really enjoy their XK8s, XKRs. So this one is about wheel arch liner. So most of us will be familiar that the front wheel arches have an enormous liner in place which can be removed and presents you with a lot of gear hidden behind it. And most of us will also have looked in our rear wheel arches and know that there's no rear wheel arch liner there at all. However, secret, there is a wheel arch liner, it's just tiny. It's this. And very often it's missing. When it's not missing, it gets undersealed. This is underseal here, this sort of rough bituminous type coating. And if this has been undersealed, you wouldn't recognise it as anything different than a piece of the inner wheel arch. So people don't realise they're there, therefore don't take them off, look behind them, see what's going on and check for issues. So there is a rear wheel arch liner. It's just only that big. Nothing at the front, only at the back. Let's just whip it off and show you. So at the top here, we have one of these awful push-on plastic nuts. There's a welded stud on the bodywork in lots of places on the XK8. And these plastic nuts are never actually screwed into place. They've been pushed on in the factory, so they're quite a pain to get back off without just them falling to pieces. If it won't just pull straight off with a pair of pliers, stick a 10mm socket on it, tighten it just a fraction, then undo. It has no thread inside it anyway, so it's just been pushed on, and we'll have just marks from the barb of that screw thread. So with that removed, you can just wriggle this out of position. It's basically tucked behind the return, and there is a cut here, and the top goes outside, the bottom goes inside. There we go. As we can see, nobody's been back there in forever. Loads of dirt and debris. Down here we have that's a metal hanger, and you have a plastic element which is slotted onto the rear bumper, which on the XK8 goes underneath the bodywork, very unusual. So that's what that is there. Rubber bung, that's the stud that holds this on, and you've got this little shelf here that can accumulate rubbish, so you want to make sure that's kept nice and clean. This is undersealed, and in my case we've got away lightly. There's not too much of a problem behind there, but yeah, tiny little inner wheel arch liner, never gets removed. All sorts of worries can occur behind there, and you can end up with a hole straight through this piece very easily as rubbish starts to accumulate on this shelf and it completely rots out. So check it out, another little secret of the XK8.